Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Apart from district police, traffic police and coastal police have done tremendous job in implementing the lockdown in the state of Goa. We have SP Dinraj Govekar, who is in charge of coastal police and traffic police, to talk about the journey during the lockdown. Sir, what was your experience?
This lockdown, this pandemic has created a havoc, and traffic police has played a very important role along with the district police and other agencies in implementing this lockdown. During lockdown, it was in phases. Three phases were there. Initially, Janta curfew was there. Thereafter, there are three phases. In these three phases, several instructions and guidelines were issued by the MHA, and which has been also, there were directions from the Goa government to implement this, and we have implemented. We have installed nakabandis at different places in Goa. As far as traffic is concerned, I'm saying. And we have strictly implemented these guidelines. There were guidelines like to carry one person in the four-wheeler beside driver, and secondly, rider, two-wheeler can only rider can take the vehicle, and no other person he can take. So we have implemented these guidelines of the MHA. Secondly, as we have regulated the traffic at different nakas also.
Sir, if we talk about violations, can you give us figure that how many violations was there?
Approximately, I can tell you roughly more than 83,000 violations, not violations as such, but the violation of the Motor Vehicle Act were recorded by us, and they were penalized for that.
Sir, if we talk about coastal areas were also vulnerable. Fishing was going on during this lockdown period. What was the situation?
We have 7 police stations across the state of Goa, and all these 7 police stations have done a tremendous work in implementing these guidelines, especially at the jetties. We have jetties at Talpona, then Kudbona, Betul, then Vasco, Malim, Shapura. At all these places, our police personnel, including the in charges, they were available at the jetties, and they have implemented all these guidelines. Especially the social distancing, they made awareness about the guidelines to the fishing community, like social distancing, wearing of the mask. Then they have also distributed masks and daily stuff to the needies.
Beyond implementing the guideline, some awareness program and the program to help the stranded and needy person, what did you do?
Yes. As far as traffic is concerned, our staff, our police personnel went to the residential areas along with the district police and separately also, and they have, through singing and all, they have made awareness about the corona, COVID-19 in the residential areas. And people appreciated the efforts put in by the traffic police, beside regulating the traffic and implementing the guidelines.
Buses have been started. So what is the role of traffic police right now in view of ongoing guidelines?
During lockdown, some relaxations were given by the government. We have implemented all these guidelines. Now, as far as buses are concerned, those which are plying, they are plying with the 50% sitting capacity. And it is implemented by the traffic police. They see at the bus stands and all. The drivers have been suitably briefed, and awareness has been made about these guidelines. So also they are checked on the route at the nakas also. And we found they are very cooperative, and they are implementing, they are abiding by the rules and regulations and whatever guidelines which are issued.
SP Dinraj Govekar is saying that even though lockdown has been relaxed, but traffic police is continuously monitoring the implementation of right now whatever guidelines has been given by the government, central government, and monitoring and regulation is going on. With camera person Swapnil Tari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.